Hi, welcome to Financial Sigma. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I make $10,000 a month through affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? But first, let's define what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing in which a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. In affiliate marketing, affiliates are typically individuals or companies that promote a product or service on behalf of a merchant. They do this by placing links to the merchant's website on their own site, or by using other marketing techniques such as email marketing, social media marketing, or pay-per-click advertising. When a visitor clicks on one of these links and makes a purchase, the affiliate earns a commission from the merchant. There are several different types of affiliate programs, including pay-per-click, pay-per-lead, and pay-per-sale programs. In a pay-per-click program, affiliates earn a commission every time a visitor clicks on one of their links and visits the merchant's website. In a pay-per-lead program, affiliates earn a commission every time a visitor provides their contact information to the merchant, such as by filling out a form or signing up for a newsletter. In a pay-per-sale program, affiliates earn a commission every time a visitor makes a purchase on the merchant's website. Affiliate marketing can be a lucrative way for businesses to generate additional revenue, and it can also be a great way for affiliates to earn money by promoting products and services they believe in. However, it's important for both merchants and affiliates to be aware of the potential risks and challenges involved in affiliate marketing, such as the risk of fraud or the risk of losing affiliates if the merchant's website is not properly designed or maintained. I got started in affiliate marketing about 2 years ago when I was looking for ways to monetize my blog. I had always been interested in the concept of earning commissions for promoting other people's products, but I wasn't sure where to start. After doing some research and experimentation, I finally found a strategy that worked for me and allowed me to consistently make money through affiliate marketing. Now, I'm able to make $10,000 a month by promoting products that I'm passionate about and that I truly believe in. One key to success in affiliate marketing is choosing the right affiliate programs to promote. It's important to do your research and find programs that are relevant to your audience and that offer high commissions and good terms and conditions. It's also important to build trust with your audience by providing valuable content and by being transparent about your affiliate relationships. This can be done by disclosing that you are using affiliate links in your content, and by providing reviews and other information that is honest and unbiased. In addition to these strategies, it can also be helpful to use social media and email marketing to promote your affiliate products, and to test different marketing techniques to see what works best for your audience. With the right approach and persistence, it's possible to make a substantial income through affiliate marketing. How I find products to promote. So, how do I find products to promote? I like to focus on promoting products that are related to my blog's niche and that I have personally used and can recommend to my audience. I also make sure to do my due diligence and research the company and its products before promoting them to my audience. It's important to me to only promote products that I believe in and that I know will provide value to my audience. There are several ways to find products to promote as an affiliate. One way is to join an affiliate network, which is a platform that connects affiliates with merchants who are looking for affiliates to promote their products. Some popular affiliate networks include Commission Junction, ShareASale, and Amazon Associates. Another way to find products to promote is to reach out directly to merchants and ask if they have an affiliate program. Many merchants have their own affiliate programs that they manage in-house, and they may be willing to work with you if they think that your audience is a good fit for their products. It's also possible to find products to promote by searching for products on search engines and online marketplaces. For example, you can search for products on Amazon and then use the Amazon Associates program to promote those products as an affiliate. Regardless of how you find products to promote, it's important to do your research and make sure that you are promoting high-quality products that you believe in and that will be valuable to your audience. Tips for success. If you're interested in starting your own affiliate marketing journey, here are a few tips that have helped me along the way. Find a niche that you're passionate about and that you know a lot about. This will make it easier for you to come up with content ideas and to promote products that you truly believe in. Build a loyal audience. The key to success in affiliate marketing is having an engaged audience that trusts your recommendations. So, focus on building a loyal following through valuable content and excellent customer service. Building a loyal audience is essential for success in affiliate marketing, as this will help you to generate consistent revenue from your promotions. Here are some tips for building a loyal audience. Focus on providing value. The most important thing is to create content that is useful and informative for your audience. This can be through blog posts, videos, podcasts, or other forms of content. Engage with your audience. Make an effort to respond to comments and messages from your audience, and engage with them on social media. This will help to build trust and create a sense of community around your content. Offer excellent customer service. If you are promoting physical products, make sure to provide timely and helpful support to your customers. This will help to build trust and encourage them to purchase from you again in the future. Be transparent. Be open and honest about your affiliate relationships, and make sure to disclose that you may earn a commission from your recommendations. This will help to build trust with your audience and ensure that they feel comfortable following your recommendations. By following these tips, you can build a loyal and engaged audience that trusts your recommendations and is more likely to make purchases through your affiliate links. Be transparent and disclose your affiliate links. It's important to be upfront with your audience about your use of affiliate links. This helps to build trust and ensures that you're complying with the laws and regulations regarding affiliate marketing. Disclosing your affiliate links is an important part of being a responsible affiliate marketer. It helps to ensure that your audience understands that you may earn a commission from their purchases, and it helps to build trust by being transparent about your business relationships. There are several ways that you can disclose your affiliate links to your audience. One common method is to include a disclaimer in your content, either at the beginning or the end, stating that you use affiliate links and may earn a commission from purchases made through those links. You can also use a plugin or banner to disclose your affiliate relationships on your website or blog. This can be an effective way to make it clear to your audience that you use affiliate links, without having to include a disclaimer in every piece of content. It's also a good idea to familiarize yourself with the laws and regulations regarding affiliate marketing in your country or region. In the United States, for example, the Federal Trade Commission, FTC, has specific guidelines for disclosing affiliate relationships, and it's important to ensure that you are complying with these guidelines. By being transparent and disclosing your affiliate links, you can help to build trust with your audience and ensure that you are following best practices in affiliate marketing. Conclusion: affiliate marketing can be a lucrative way to monetize your blog or website, as long as you're willing to put in the time and effort to find the right products to promote and to build a loyal audience. By following the tips I've shared with you, you can start your own successful affiliate marketing journey and potentially make $10,000 a month, just like me.